ETH, we start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. And if you refer to our analysis in my last video, since the price was here, we mentioned how we can look for trade. Anyway, there was no opportunity either for buy or sell. Okay, because mostly we discuss about the buy, but we mentioned we want to see one more drop. Then from there, if we get any reversal, we'll take the trade. There was no, again, any opportunity for buy, because based on higher time frame, we mentioned we want to see the price break the correction. Anyway, we move to daily chart. And if you refer to our analysis, since the price was within this move, we mentioned the best thing is if the price could break the lowest price of this correction. Exactly, it's happened. No, because we mentioned with the breakout of this one, we can confirm about this one as an internal flat as the first correction and the third wave before we look for the reversal. All right. And as what we expected, the price broke 3570, but MACD doesn't show us a divergence, but another indicator showing us the divergence. All right. By the way, we have been looking for buy. We want to see the breakout of this move. That's mean any reversal as a long term, we will take it. And as a long term, with the breakout of all-time high, we're looking for 5.5 following by 7K as a target. And if you move to forward chart, and even based on forward chart, we mentioned we want to see the breakout of this move. That's why I mentioned we want to see whether the price can break 3.6K or not. That's why when the price was within this one, I mentioned we can expect this one to be in relative to this for the next drop. And exactly this is what happened. That's why I mentioned if we want to look for buy within this one, we have to see the breakout of this one as a correction flag before we take the next trade because of the possibility for this one. All right. And as what we expected, the price broke the lowest price of this correction. And we see the breakout of the 3.6. How deep it can go, even we can expect the price drop to 3.3K. But we want to see the reversal. We do the breakout of this zone. All right, that's mean if we put this low and relative to the previous one, if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. That's mean from now, any opportunity for buy will take it, but we have to see the reversal as a sharp move. If it turns the corrective move similar to what we get here, either we take out the trade if we get an opportunity, or we move our stop loss to break even. How deep it can go? 3.3K, but we don't want to see the breakout of 3.3K at this point. That's mean from now we want to see the reversal as a long term. But at this point, based on forward chart, I don't see any trade setup. And if I move to 1 hour chart, similar. I mean, we don't see any trade setup either for buy or sell. Even we can expect the price, this one turn to a deep, a small correction for the next drop. Whether we should look for sell or not depends on the traders. But for me, I'm looking for buy. All right. I wait for the trade setup for buy before I take the trade. Simply, I won't take any trade because, as I mentioned, even we can expect the price drop to 3.3K. But as what we can see based on forward chart, the price could break the lowest price of this correction. We are out of this correction. The only thing is we want to see wait for the opportunity to look for buy. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.